Hello again. Alright, let's begin this series. This series is info series. What I've learned and what you need to, well, not what you need to do, but it's sort of what you need to do. Alright, let's begin this shebang. Alright, info 1, right? I ain't gonna do that. Alright. Mosquito fish. What are they? They're a type of gambus aphids, kin to the guppies. Let's see here. And I do believe they're in the family tree Pacillidae, Pacillidae family tree, something like that. Let's hear. Let me think. The Pacillidae is a mixture of a bunch of fish. I don't really need to name them all because it's going to be hard and I don't really know all of the names. But I only know 2 fish in there. Well, 2 species of fish in this family tree. Mosquito fish, which should be named not mosquito fish because they can eat almost anything that bleeds and that can basically fit in their tiny little mouths. And they're sort of like piranhas because, well, here's an example. I remember watching a video. It was a informational video, basically. They would eat. They were eating a pack of them. Well, since I only got one now, it'd be hard for it to kill a frog when the frog could kill it. But anyway, so basically, we have a nice good swarm of them, and you have a injured frog or any injured animal in particular in that same water type area, don't stand a chance. One of them though, 50-50. I mean, the fish goes swimming around until it lose interest. Like follow around and lose interest. That's all. Now, another thing. Mosquito fish can eat anything, but why is it called mosquito fish? Well, they use it to control populations of mosquitoes. What people don't understand or realize or anything is that since they can eat anything, they could change their diet rapidly, depending if there's not enough mosquito fish food or whatnot. They'll start feasting on other types of insects and stuff like that, as long as it can fit in their mouths. Now, they ain't really harmful. They're basically like the weakest version of a predator. Basically, take a piranha and tone it down about 30 to 40, probably 50% of its anger issues, or more than that. Tone it down, and it's basically a mosquito fish, and shrink the size and everything to about this big, about that big, or that big, or something. Same size as a guppy, and bada bing bada boom, you have a mosquito fish. So there's nothing to worry about. And humans, we can kill creatures with a snap of a finger. Now, guppies. what I learned about guppies is that they're breeded. Like, there was an experiment done with guppies and it had to do with 3 types of predation and 6 types of environments, which actually is just 3 groups of predation, 2 types of environments. So I'm saying 6 because times 2 of 3. You have 0, low, and high. High is like aggressive, very aggressive. Low is like tame, like mosquito fish tame. So if you're injured, it'll get attacked. If you ain't injured, you won't get attacked. If you're sick, you'll get attacked. So there's that. Now, what the scientists learned from this thing, that the guppies, remember this is a guppy experiment, nothing else. Alright, the guppies is like they shrunk, and like one group of guppies shrank, another group of guppies gotten bigger. It was the 2 groups that gotten bigger and more colorful was the groups of low predation and 0 predation. Basically, one group stayed the same, and the other got more colorful and more bigger. One got a tad bit more colorful, I do believe, and so on and so forth. And it had to do with gravel, and the guppies were basically like different, like spotted, like different spots. So, in other words, yeah, the spots basically got bigger. Like some spots bigger, other spots smaller. So there's that. And yeah, and that's about it for this video. I'll make another one probably later on. I'll probably keep making videos at this time. What else is to do? Don't mind the barking.